That's the carbon fiber filament. I been trying to dial it in. And those look very, very big, to be honest. This is a 0.4 nozzle. A 0.4 nozzle, and it's printing at 240. How's that? 240/85. Sorry, it's 240 on the nozzle temperature and 80 on the bed for the first layer. So at least it's not failing. Oh yeah, and my Z, I use that 3x3 pattern for adjusting the Z, and my Z is at 690, but that doesn't really matter because everybody's Z is different based on how you adjusted your PINDA, your PINDA sensor. So far so good. Well, it has to be one of the best that I've had yet. It still might fail, of course, but that's a huge of course that's only the brim, right? So that's not even the bottom of the print yet. I've been doing brims lately. Really helps a lot. Another thing that I do is I clean up. So if something came out of the nozzle and is just sitting there, I'll just literally just pick it up as it's printing. The first layer. Let's see what she's doing now. Of course, that's what I'm printing. That's the perimeter, the internal perimeter. She's probably gonna do the external perimeter and then gonna lay the first layer. So far so good. I love this filament. By the way, this is what that is. This is carbon fiber polycarbonate, but it's not really polycarbonate. It's a blend of polycarbonate and PLA. Yeah, as I thought. Now it's gonna print. Let's see if my adjustment worked. That angle made it look ovalized, but it's not. It's just the angle. See if this works. It's gonna rotate, it's gonna look upside down, but it's just for this quick stretch. By the way, that's my adjustments. This is what I do. I write the adjustment on the 3x3 pattern. that I used to adjust the Z. Hopefully that wasn't too messy, those turnarounds. Seems pretty good to me. It's a little bit of a, it's not even a failure, it's just very, very tiny. Wow, I'm so impressed because this is, I just now cleaned my nozzle. I have the 0.4 nozzle since I bought the printer, so bought a roll of print filament ago, and I had the same nozzle, and this is the first time I really disassemble it and clean it and clean everything, the extruder and all, and I cannot believe how much better this print is. It's so much bigger. I mean, it's hard to explain what I mean by bigger. It took me forever to readjust that pin. That is it right there, pin the sensor. Yeah, of course I broke that. I broke that right there in the process. See how that screw is sticking out? Not supposed to be sticking out that much. It's supposed to be flush like that. But the fan housing, I think, broke a little bit there. It's working, so I'll leave it alone. I can probably print another housing. Alright guys, I'll come back.